All right, we're going to go ahead and bust the box of 2021 Absolute Basketball for King Harry. Chose box 4. Good luck, sir. Box 4 Absolute. I gotta see if we have... I think we're running pretty low on Absolute in the shop, too. All right, good luck, man. All right, let's see. That looks like a thin auto. I like the thin autos actually better than the relic autos. That's just me though. 425. All right, first up we got Aaron Gordon /99 blue. Next is Kerry Jr. rookie, wrong Hornet. Malachi Flynn rookie. And Nico Mannion rookie jersey. Ooh, are those Hornets color? Oh, I thought it was Hornets colors. Maybe. We got Nico Mannion rookie jersey. And Poku 6 relic at a 199. He's on the rise for sure. Pokushevsky 6 relic auto. Nice one there. What are his prisms at now? Is prisms still going up? And we got Jamal Murray, number /49. Steph Curry, Jason Tatum, and wrong Laker. We got Kuzma, dual jersey. And it is Denny. Denny rookie autograph. All right, that is your box. Thanks again, Harry. Appreciate it, man.